Hi, I am Anjali from Fast and Flow. Let's learn about the data security in Excel to Tally integration. In this video, I will highlight the importance of data security, discuss encryption methods, access control, and best practices for safeguarding financial information during the data transfer process. Data security is important for a number of reasons. First, it can help to protect your financial information from unauthorized access. Second, it can help to prevent data loss or corruption. Third, it can help to comply with regulations, such as those governing the protection of personal data. There are a number of encryption methods that can be used to protect data during the Excel to Tally integration process. One common method is to use a password. When you use a password, the data is encrypted before it is transferred, and only the person who knows the password can decrypt it. A security certificate is a digital file that is used to verify the identity of the sender and recipient of a message. When you use a security certificate, the data is encrypted and then signed with the certificate. This helps to ensure that the data is not tampered with during the transfer process. In addition to encryption, it is also important to implement access control measures to protect your data. Access control can be used to restrict who has access to your data and what they can do with it. For example, you can create user accounts and assign different levels of access to different users. You can also use permissions to control what users can do with the data, such as whether they can view, edit, or delete it. Here are some best practices for safeguarding financial information during the Excel to Tally integration process. Use strong passwords and security certificates. Implement access control measures. Keep your software up to date. Back up your data regularly. Be aware of the risks and take steps to mitigate them. Get free demo of Excel to Tally software at www.fastandflow.com.